All right, good morning, grade nines. We're looking at geometry of straight lines, and we are going to deal with the homework that we were supposed to do. I think we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions to look at, and that's what we will do the rest of today. And I'll give you more work because I need to make sure that we are sorted again before we move to the next topic. So we starting with some simple and basic questions, and then we will take it from there and go on to look at more challenging questions. Here we go. Here's the first question that we had. The question says, if you remember, calculate the value of the angles indicated by small letters. It is important that you always know that in geometry we shouldn't always talk about our statement and our reason. All right, we must always give a statement and a reason. Can you please type for me what you got for this is DE? Please quickly let me know your answer for A1. What is your value for X? What is your value for X? $46. $46. Okay. What would be your reason for saying 46? What will be your reason for saying 46? Can somebody give me a reason for saying 46? Just type quickly. Adjacent supplementary angles. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. Good. Adjacent supplement. I love that statement. Adjacent supplementary angles. All right, good. So we know that X plus 44 plus EBC would be equal to 180. Let's take that statement. I love it. Adjacent subangles. All right. And X plus 44 plus 90 therefore equals to 180. X should be 46 degrees. Beautifully done, guys. Beautifully done. What about the next one? The next one. Next one. Let's go for the next one. Let's go for the next one. X is 20. Okay. Guys, give me your answers. I have X, one answer, X is 20. Fatima also says 20. Let's see. I want as many answers as possible, guys. Okay, Amatula, give me your X. You gave me Y. Y40 and Y20. Give me your reasons as well. Quickly, give me your reason for saying 40. Give me your reason for saying 20. Infinity, please change your name. Infinity, please change your name. It's the rule of the class. Please change your name. 20 vertically opposite. Why would you say 20 when you're giving me the correct reason? Vertically opposite. Tasmea 40. Yes, please change your name, please. Otherwise, I'm going to kick you out of the class. Please change your name. Grandpa and everyone not using their name, please change your names. Please. I'm going to go back to my participant now and then chuck you out of the class. All right. The correct answer here is that x is 40. Vertically opposite, not 20. Because this is, I know why you're saying 20. You're thinking this whole thing here from here to here is 40. No, it is just this that is 40. So this also must be 40. So x equals to 40. And your reason is vertically opposite angles. And what is our y going to be? What is y? So already we know this as 40. Let me use a red here. 40. This one also is 40. What therefore is your y going to be? Y would be 100, right? Good. And what's your reason? Adjacent supplementary angle. Beautiful. We okay? Thank you, guys. I love the response. I love the response this morning. Tasmea, why do you want to go around? Saying around the point is 360. Okay, yes you are, but it's a long way because you have to. Now, if I had that yeah, you can, because this would also be then 40, but it's a long process. Tasmea, are we okay? Don't go through the long process. There's always a shorter way. All right. Going around, you have to look for this angle, look for that angle, then get that angle. It's just a long process. Remember, you don't have all the time in the world in an exam. All right. Let's look at question. The next one is question 11. All right. The next one is question 11. I'm just going to quickly draw. Question 11. I'm sure you do have your textbook there. All right, we have that, and then we have our transversal line that way. Okay, and we are told that these lines are parallel. That shows our parallel lines. And then what do we have? We have x, and then we have 136. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, and F. This is A11. Talk to me now. What is X? 136 because they are alternate angles. Ah, really? All right, guys, listen. When you tell me alternate angles, please listen to how we answer this question. You guys, okay, Fatima and Zara, you know you need to give me reasons. Nabila, you need to give me a reason. All right, Noella and the rest. When you say alternate angles, please tell me the lines that are parallel. It helps to quickly justify your answer. All right, I agree with you. X is 136 degrees. Alternate angles. Which lines are parallel? AB is parallel to CD. Good. Are we okay there? Thank you, guys. Beautiful. Oh, you guys are the best. Let's go to question number 12. Just going to run to a new page. Question number 12. Okay. Let's get all of this sorted today. We have a line there, straight horizontal line. I have another one, and I have my transversal line. And we are told this is parallel to that. And this is 146 degrees, and this is A. PQRS, all right, PQRS, and then we are given E and F. This is A12. Talk to me. Talk to me here. Talk to me here quickly. Tasmia, you said X is... Oh, did I draw a different question? Oh, I drew a different question. Hold on, guys. I actually... Let me correct this diagram. Let me correct this diagram. Okay, just hold on. Yeah, I've got parallel lines. Sorry, I made a mistake with something here. Let me quickly correct it so that we can be on the same page. So that we can be on the same page. It's not that. Alright, just a second. I will be with you now. Dealing with 12. My transversal line goes that way. And this is N. This is P. This is F. This is E. This is D. And that is C. I have X and I have Y. I have 81 degrees. Alright, this is 12. Number 12. A12. Good. 81 degrees. Okay, let's get back on. Tasmia says X is 99 because adjacent supplementary angles. Absolutely correct. Right, because we would subtract that from 180. Remember, supplementary means 180. Good. So X is, let's do the maths. 180 minus 81. All right. 180 minus 81, which is equal to what? 99 degrees. It's not alternate. Okay, you're telling me about Y, Zara. Okay, just hold on. What's the reason here? We said adjacent supplementary angles. All right, you guys already given me Y. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. So if this is 99, if this is 99, then Y also would be 99 degrees. Y is 99 degrees. And we say alternate what? Angles, because NP is then parallel to FE. Oh, beautiful, guys. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is number 15. Number 15. All right, number 15 then looks like this. I'm sure you do have your own textbooks so that you can also look at it. Number 15 then looks like this. Can you hear me now? Okay. Can you guys hear me now? All right, you can hear me now. Okay, awesome. All right, tell me quickly. We have X already. What about Y? What about Y? Can you still hear me? Is my sound okay with you guys? Y56. Okay, remember, don't just tell me 56. Why are we saying 56? What's the reason behind 56? All right, I see reasons coming. I see reasons coming up. All right, good. Co-interior angles add up to 180. Lovely. Co-interior angles equals to 180. Okay. So, if I were to go back there, we said this is 124. All right. So we know that Y therefore should be equal to 180 minus 124, which is 56. And then we say co-what? Interior angles. And we are saying co-interior angles, all right, because EF is parallel to GH. Put the parallel lines to. EF is parallel to GH, so that is my co-interior angles. It forms a U. All right, the last one, what about Z? Thank you. Thank you guys for your answers. Thank you for your answers. So this is 56. What about Z? Okay, answers are coming up. All right. All right, so I have Tasmia giving me an answer. Nabila started. Zara, Basid, all right, I'm good. Nabila, your reason, do you think Uzair and Nabila, I wanted to check your reasons. Why are you saying alternate angles? They are not alternate. They are corresponding. Okay, correct. They are corresponding. If it was alternate, then I should be looking at the side. All right, so they should be remember what we said. Corresponding is we're looking for an F. Let me try to draw an F with a different ink. F. All right, I hope it makes sense. That's the F there. So that gives me an angle there of what? 56. So Z is 56 degrees. And what's the reason? Corresponding what? Angles. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Number 16. Okay, I'm going to draw quickly. No, don't worry. I wasn't talking. Now I'm talking now. All right. I'm sure now you can hear me, right? Now can you hear me? I was just drawing at that moment. Okay. We're looking for A, B, and C. Quickly. Tell me, let's start with A. Let's start with A. A. 86. Do we agree? Amatula says it 86. Tasmia 86. Fatima, I need a reason. I need a reason. Basit, I need a reason. Oh, beautiful. Answers are popping in. Come on, that's too nice. 86. Corresponding. All right. So A is 86 degrees. And what's the reason? Corresponding angles. Lovely. Well done, guys. What about B? The way answers are popping in. Oh my God. Beautiful. 94 degrees co-interior. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. All right. You guys are the best. All right. So what about the third one? What is C? Wait. Amria, C is 94 co-interior angles. All right, okay, correct. So there are two ways to look at angle C. All right, I just saw that now. There are two ways to look at angle C. Either you use the co-interior angle here, because these two lines are parallel. All right, so either you use the co-interior angles there, giving you a U, or you use the F. All right, B and C. Okay, so if I'm using B, let's do this. B equals to C, which is equal to 94. That will be corresponding. All right, so there are two ways to get that answer. Or if I'm using the 86 part, C would be equal to 180 minus 86, which would be equal to 94. And that would be you don't have to do the two, just do one. Co-interior angles. Well done. Good work. Good work. All right. Let's look at the last one, all right, which is number 17. Okay, guys, I'm not going to talk. I'm drawing. All right, you want me to talk while I draw? Okay, I'll talk while I'm drawing. I have AB, all right, and I have CD, but I noticed that those lines are not parallel. However, I have EF and NM that are parallel. Okay, let's label together. We have F here, we have E here, we have N here, we have M there, we have D here, okay, we have C, we have A, and we have B. We know that this line here is then parallel to that. And we have a P here, okay, we have 63, and this is A, 63 degrees. That's A. We have B, 94 degrees there. What else do we have? D is right there. And C. Okay. We have A, B, C, D. Giving me answers as we round up the class, and I give you something else to do. I have Let's work together. Let's start with A. A, 1, 1. Okay, guys, hold on. Let's work together. I know you have answers, but let's start with angle A. I only have one person giving me angle A, and I need us to work together. What is A? What is A? 117. 117. All right, I have two 117s. And what is the reason? What is our reason? Adjacent supplementary angles. Thank you, Noela. All right, that's a very good reason. Nabila, angles on a straight line. All right, so we subtract 63 from 180. So we are saying A is 117. All right. Adjacent supplement. Let's use adjacent supplementary angles. Let's use that reason. Good. What about B? Let's go to B now. Basit, A cannot be co-interior. Let's quickly correct that. A cannot be co-interior. I hope it makes sense. A cannot be co-interior. It's a straight line. All right. We're using that straight line there. Okay. What about B? What about B? Nabila, why is B 86? Oh, okay. Co-interior. B 86, co-interior. Because this line here is parallel to that line. So that's a U. All right. So 94. And so B is 180 minus 94. 180 minus 94. And that will be 86 degrees. Co-interior. Thank you. What about C? What about C? Mubin. Alternate. Are you sure it is alternate? Check it again. Remember, CD and AB are not parallel. So I doubt that 94 is correct. Let's check again. Guys, let's check again. I doubt that 94 will be correct because AB is not parallel to CD. The only two parallel lines are EF and NM. So let's check again. Let's check. Who's checking for me? Fatima is coming up with an answer here. 117 corresponding. Oh, Zara, I missed your answer. Zara 117 corresponding. Nabila 117 corresponding. Mubin, I hope you're okay. Fazia 94 corresponding. No, it cannot be. What is our A? Our A is 117. Do you see an F? Let's try to write letter F there. That's a parallel line. That's a parallel line. And I have that. That's F. Do you see the F there? Parallel, F. This and this are parallel. So this angle must be equal to that. So A should be equal to C. Therefore, C is 117 degrees. Corresponding. I hope it makes sense, guys. I hope it makes sense. Corresponding angles. So you look for those letters. Fun. What about D? What about D? Angles on a Nabila, how can it be angle on a straight line? I disagree with you, Nabila. Nabila, I disagree with you. Okay. Yes, answers are now coming in. 94, vertically opposite angles. Oh, you worked out the other angle. All right, I see. But just use a shortcut. All right. You see, you didn't have to. I'm glad you've seen that you didn't have to. D is equal to Fatima. Why 86? Fatima, talk to me. Why 86? Fatima, quickly. Which angle are you referring to when you say 86? A, B, C, or D? Okay, all right. So I'm sure, guys, we're okay with what we've done so far. All right. We have just a few minutes left. And this is your, we're going to extend the question. All right. We're going to extend. We want to do more and master this as well. So we're going to have more questions to practice with. Page 178. Page 178. We're going to look at 18, 19, 20. All right. These structures are a bit more complex. These structures are a bit more complex. All right. And then we look at B1 and B2. All right. Homework, guys. Homework. Page 178, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And then we look at B1 and B2. They are a bit more complex. All right. So you need to take your time when you deal with those questions. I hope we're okay so far. I'm glad you guys are responding so awesomely. That's so beautiful. Let me know, are we okay with what we did today? Are we okay? Nabila, yes, we're good. Good. All right. Please make sure the work is written in your books, please. Please, if you have an access to a printer, you can print and then just paste them in your books. It's okay. But if you do not have, I do send you all the PDFs. Please write the date. I also have proof of the date and all that. All right, so write the date and make sure it's all in. Are we okay? All right, guys, let's call it a day. It's an early day today. We did awesomely well. If we do the homework, it's easier for us to learn, and then we do quite a number of things. All right, so you have 2 minutes of some free time before your next lesson.